If you use Instagram and your Instagram comments are not showing up, disappearing or not loading, don't worry. I'll show you a quick and easy fixes on how to fix Instagram comments not showing. So let's get started. The number one step is to check your internet connection. Now switch between the Wi-Fi and data on your mobile phone. Turn the airplane mode on just right here. Wait a few seconds and then turn it off. And if that does not work, simply restart your Wi-Fi router. Step 2 is to refresh Instagram. For that, close the app completely, just like this, and reopen it. And swipe down on your feed manually, just like this, to refresh. Now step 3 is to update Instagram. For that, open the App Store and search for the Instagram. And if you find the update version right here, then you can simply update it. And number 4 is to clear the cache of the Instagram app. For that, go to the Settings app, then scroll down and find the General option. Tap on it, then tap onto iPhone storage, just right here. Then find the Instagram app, just like this. Now open it and tap onto Offload app to clear the cache of the Instagram. And after uploading it, you need to reinstall it. If nothing works, uninstall the Instagram and reinstall it. To uninstall it, keep on clicking on the Instagram app. Then here you can find Remove app and tap on it. And after removing it, simply reinstall it. That's it. Try these fixes and let me know in the comments which one worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.